Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is MDF2 Week 2. So this week went pretty well. I actually got my project done early, and I think it looks very nice. So I'll show you it really quick. Alrighty, so here it is. Right, it's loading. Okay, that actually takes a while on the iPad, I found. So I can post, and I'll actually put myself in there. And so now if I refresh, really like that I made it look like that. I really got a chance to focus on how the thing actually looked. So there we go, it's right there. And if I click it, displays the info. Right, with me it's kind of empty, so it doesn't look amazing right there. But if I go to one like, I don't know who this is, but 40 billion user details seed, it actually really fills up nicely. So that's my app. I really focused on its looks, and you know, all of these cards are custom, the icons are custom, the pretty much every part of it that could be customized was button, whatnot. And I felt it came out really well. So, short overview of my code. Doesn't look really different than anybody else's, I would assume. So right here you have it actually getting access to Twitter. Right here I have it set all of the different aspects of the card to actually be shown. So that whole clear blue thing, the actual card that says, you know, you're loading, its labels, and then its little buffering animation is set to animated right there. And then again, after this is done, reload data, it then changes them all back to hidden and stops the animation. And then I have it where NSLog stuff. That's stuff that really wasn't needed in there anymore, but I kind of left just from whenever I was testing. And so right here, I set my bar button items programmatically, so that you actually have them in there. You have post and refresh. Right here is where I actually make the table view, so Twitter feed count. There's the actual table view and the size. Here's where I make it clickable, and all of this is put into that in a dictionary, right? So that it can be sent over to the detail view easily. Right here we have it. This is the actual post, and this was actually something that was a lot easier to set up than what I thought it would be. For a while I just had it so that it would say tweet posted, just to make sure the button would work. On the refresh, that was probably the easiest part of this segment. Just make it recall the view did load, and boom, it worked. Let's see. So basically, this, you just have it setting the values to different stuff. I actually have a few I have a few labels, that right there, which are actually the labels for following, followed, and info. Even though I didn't want to call them there, it seemed like if I didn't call them there, they wouldn't pass through again to the actual user view controller. So and that's my app. That's the app code-wise. So this week went pretty well. There's one problem though, and I think it was actually a problem that broke my app last week. Now reflecting on it, but it's not something I fixed last week. I, for whatever reason, did not have ARC turned on, and that caused that made it where my table view would not load correctly or anything. I could not push stuff into it. It had a problem with the NS dictionary, and I think that was probably what broke my app last week as well. But that was really the only problem. So I wish the only thing I really could have done better, I think, is not have wasted so much time on that. You know, trying to figure that out. Anything else? I guess I could have made the design look a little more like iOS. It's a bit Android-y, just because it has the cards and the colors are reminiscent of the Hollow Dark theme. The blue was actually meant to be like the Twitter blue, and it is the exact blue that's in the Twitter logo. So that was what I was thinking with that, and the dark gray just I felt looked really nice, but looking at it now, it's like, yeah, that's very Android-y looking. So I guess I could have maybe make it look more iOS-y, make stuff round and glossy, but other than that, I really can't think of anything. It went pretty smoothly, and I think it turned out pretty darn well, you know? Anyways, that is my app. That's it for week 2 for me. Hope your guys' weeks went well, and I hope you have a good week this week. Thank you. Bye.